Your Lordships, I seek Your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 9 of the hearing list, Your Lordships. Item 9 of the hearing
Item
list.
9.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordships, due to the bereavement in the family, Miss Mary will not be able to appear today, Your Lordship. So if the matter may be heard in the next available bench, Your Lordship.
All right, item 9, part 2 hearing list. Will adjourn it. Be listed before the next available bench. Or we say it should come after 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On
Much
a
obliged, Your
request
Lordship.
made on behalf of the Council for
State Government, Your Lordship.
State Government.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Admission, item 1.
May it please Your Lordship, the concerned departments, that is the P&E department, and they have, there's actually a guideline for diversion of forest land for non-forest purposes for laying transmission lines through forest areas. So according to this guideline, the Power and Electricity Department is in consultation with the Forest Department, and a comprehensive measures are also being taken. And Your Lordship, if 2 weeks time may be granted to produce all the relevant documents and action being taken to this court, Your Lordship.
There was an earlier order on 6/3
Yes, Your Lordship.
permitting you to file an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That has not been filed as yet.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have not got any further instructions, Your Lordship, on that regard.
How much time would you require?
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes? 2 weeks time? Council appearing for the state
Yes, Your Lordship.
prays for further 2 weeks time to file the affidavit as permitted by the earlier order dated 6/3/2025. Council for the PIL petitioner does not object to the prayer made. List accordingly after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 2.
Lordship, as per order 12/3/2025, respondent number 7 was impleaded and a copy has been served to the CGC.
My Lord, for the newly impleaded respondent, I may be given some more time for obtaining instruction, my Lord.
Council for the parties are present. Learned CGC has entered appearance on behalf of respondent 6. 7, who prays for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit. Also, office note dated 1/4/2025 reflects that acknowledgement, service on respondent 6 is still awaited. Matter therefore be listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 3.
Lordship, I am appearing to VC,
Yes,
counsel for the petitioner, Lordship.
yes.
So, my Lord, in this matter, the petitioner also is supposed to file reply to affidavit filed by the state. So, Your Lordship, as of now, even the state is directed to file affidavit in respect of the status of the work. So, Your Lordship, I would like to pray that I would like to file affidavit in respect of their affidavit and also the affidavit which they are going to file. Reply to the two affidavits that one is they are going to file regarding the status of the work.
One affidavit is already filed and you would like to file a reply.
Yes, my Lord.
And the other, you are already preparing to file a reply even before the affidavit is filed.
Actually, my Lord, they are supposed to file regarding the status of
Right,
the
so
work.
let them file. You see the affidavit, you may like to reply, you may not like to reply.
That's true,
All right,
exactly.
but one reply you are going to file, isn't it?
Yes,
All right,
because it will be a kind of consolidated affidavit.
all right, all right. Counsel for the petitioner submits that rejoinder affidavit to affidavit filed by which respondent?
Respondent, they filed it on 15 February,
No, which respondent number?
1 to 5, 1 to 7, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1 to 7. And he prays for 3 weeks' time. Council
My
appearing
lord,
for
they
the,
have to file affidavit, they have been pending, because they had to file first.
the counsel for the respondent does not object to the prayer made. Stop. Further, in terms of the earlier orders passed, the
In,
other respondents are required to file their affidavit, which have also not been filed accordingly. The respondents who desire to file their counter affidavits are also permitted to file their affidavits within, by
My
the
lord,
next returnable date.
one more submission.
Yes.
The respondent had to file affidavit in respect of the status of the work. That is very important.
Respondent number?
Respondent, the state respondents.
State
they are
respondent.
1 to 7.
1 to
Yes,
7.
yes.
State respondents will file their affidavit as in
As
terms
per
of the
order 5-2.
order dated
5-2.
5/2
Yes. In the last para, Your Lordship.
in terms of the earlier order dated 5/2. State respondents will file, you write, the secretary to the government of Mizoram PWD was directed to inform the court by way of an affidavit about the status of the work. The affidavit was directed to be filed on or before 28/2/2025. That has not been filed.
Yes, Lordship.
No, Your Lordship, no.
Counsel for the respondent, however, submits that the affidavit has not been filed. Stop. Considering the fact that this is a public interest litigation, we reiterate the directions passed in the earlier order and permit further 3 weeks' time to file to the said respondent to bring on record the status of the work. It is made clear that in the event the state respondent does not comply with the order as passed by this court, consequential orders may follow. Copy of this order be marked to the office of the learned government advocate for onward communication. List
Much
accordingly after 3 weeks.
Much
Much
obliged, Your
obliged,
Lordship.
Lordship.
Item 4.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the 26/3/2025 order, additional affidavit has been filed, but on 26/3/25, they have filed their additional affidavit, but it was not on record. So I hope the record is in the file. Yes, Lordship.
Additional affidavit filed by respondent 1
Yes, Lordship.
on 26/3.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, it is on record.
Okay, Lordship.
Or any other counters to be filed?
No, Lordship, the counsel for the respondent number 1 is not here.
Who's for respondent 1?
Miss Valentina Laldin, please.
She's not here.
No, Lordship.
As per the earlier order, as per the last order dated 26/3/2025, it was recorded.
She was represented by one of her junior, Lordship. Here she was sick.
Oh, okay. That the additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 1 in terms of the order dated 23/10/2024, although stated to have been filed, was not available, is not available in record. Was not available on record. Stop. Today, when the matter is called up, office note reflects that the said additional affidavit has been brought on record. Stop. Vera. Counsel for the parties have informed that the counsel appearing for respondent number 1 is indisposed and is not able to attend court. Stop. Considering the gravity of the matter, we consider it appropriate to defer the matter to be listed before the next available division bench. The registry will ensure that the matter is listed before the next available division bench. List accordingly.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 5.
Yes.
If this matter can be listed after a week, my lord, since I'm having some family problem, I cannot go through the file properly.
Sorry, I couldn't follow you.
If this matter may be listed after a week,
You want it after a week?
yes, my lord, I'm having some family problem.
All
My
right.
mother is not feeling well. I have to assist her, so I don't have time
After 1 week.
to go through the file properly.
Any objections?
No objection, my lord.
Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation on the ground of personal inconveniences. She submits that the matter be listed after 1 week.
Next, if possible, next week, my lord. If
So is it next week or after 1 week?
If next week is possible,
Next week.
yes, my lord.
Submits that the matter be listed next week. Prayer made is not objected to by the counsel for the respondent. List next week.
Okay.
Item 6.
My lord, this court order dated 12 of March 2025, steps upon the respondent number 5 was taken on 19/3/2025. According to the office note, my lord, no
As per,
result of any
as
card.
per office note dated 1/4/2025, service on respondent number 5 is not complete. AD card is not yet received back by the registry. Matter be listed after 3 weeks. Registry
My lord,
to make necessary endorsements to that effect. Yes,
meanwhile, if I may be allowed to submit my counter,
of course. You are appearing for respondent?
number 1,
Counsel appearing for respondent
private
number 1.
respondent. Private respondent, my lord.
Private respondent number 1
Yes.
is permitted to file the counter affidavit. Learned CGC?
Just a pro forma defendant.
All right, learned CGC appears for the respondent. State respondent, counsel, government advocate appears for respondent number 2 to 4. Are you required to file any counter? The respondents are permitted to complete their instructions and file necessary counter affidavit if so advised in the meantime. List again after 3 weeks.
Orders, item 7.
My lords, paperwork have been received, so the matter can be listed for hearing, my lord.
All right. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, since this is a POXO appeal, my lord, the respondent number 2 may have to be represented, my lord. Notice is otherwise complete.
Is it? Yes. All right. Do you have any particular list or even about?
This is an application for condonation of 57 days, madam. Notice has already been issued, madam. Step was taken way back on 18th of February. So now we are in April.
Service is awaited.
Awaited, madam.
Do you want to take fresh steps or anything? No. Or await for another 3 weeks?
So if I may kindly be allowed to take
Dusty. All right. Office
In
note,
respect of now, my lord, in respect of one, regarding two, my lord, since is out that there in Shillong, my lord, it might be problem. I take step by Dusty in respect of one, my lord.
no, we'll wait, we'll permit you to take Dusty on respondent 1.
Mine.
Yeah. Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that, you write, by office order, by office note dated 1/4/25, service on respondent 1 and 2 are shown to be awaited. Stop. Counsel for the applicant submits that he be permitted to take service by way of Dusty on respondent number 1. Stop. Prayer made is allowed. Matter be listed after 4 weeks. Office to make necessary endorsements with regard to return of service on respondent number 2. Stop. Meanwhile, petitioner will ensure service of notice on respondent 1 by way of Dusty routed through the registry of the court. Stop. The compliance affidavit be filed thereafter before the court. List
My lord,
after 4 weeks.
Even may be taken, registered after 2 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
Within 2 weeks, I can complete, my lord. my
You
task.
can complete. All
2
right.
weeks, my lord. Because
List after 2 weeks.
give your license.
This number 9 is adjourned.
Yes,
Okay.
has been adjourned.
Oh, I thought it was only, oh, okay, number 9. All right.